All right, so yesterday we talked about cosine. Something different from the right? We're going to some of you already finished the homework like today. Couple of you, or a few, not all of you. So, right? You already did it. Uh, 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 so you would go have couple of the co-teachers, that, and we'll talk about that. All right, so, that's what, that's what. You get that. Yep, okay.
There's some dirty milk.
Some people might disagree. That's disgusting.
Yeah. I don't know how old it is.
Right. Okay, so sine of 180. Just compare and contrast that to cosine. Notice the signs are the same here on the top. Okay, so sine has similar signs, top and bottom. Remember pairing those together, pairing those together. On the sine identity, sine and cosine are together, right? With cosine, it was cosine alpha, cosine beta. So just notice those differences, don't get them mixed up, okay? Because you can. I mean, but use that sheet and you shouldn't have any trouble. Just reference it every time. Okay, so let's look at, this is actually number 24 in the book. And how we might approach something of that nature. Both examples today are going to be in radians. I'm pretty sure you can add and subtract degrees pretty easily. But so we're going to just look at radians today. So 5 pi over 12. We have to figure out two numbers to add or subtract to that, right? And what was the advice I gave you yesterday? Put them in 12ths. All right, so oh, do we have an answer now? Yeah.
No way.
Already. See how easy that was. Last year I didn't have this in my brain, and my classes really struggled with it. So this is the easy way to do it. Cosecant is 1 over sine, right? And it's pi over 6 plus pi over 4. All right, so that's how we're going to attack this problem. Is that good enough? Okay. And you're just going to have some fraction nastiness to deal with. So we have plus, so that's plus, that has to be plus. There. Okay, good. And make sure, some of you For some reason, I even have calculus students doing this, so it's not just you, but you're shorting the fraction bar sometimes. Okay, make sure. Just again, these are really long problems. Make sure you're nice and organized and things are written out properly, and you will make less mistakes. I mean, I've been doing this for 25 years, math, and I still make mistakes when I don't do that. Okay, so, okay. Maybe I pick on people today. Who's pre-calc? Oop, she's not here anymore. Oh, wait. Melissa, do you know the sign at pi over 6? You use your circle. Yep. Okay. Dominic, cosine pi over 4. Okay. Everybody's getting ready. Yep. Sine pi over 6. Yeah. And then Daisy, cosine pi over 4. Use your unit circle. Danielle, what's sine pi over 6? Oh, hold on. I did. Yep. I just realized that. This should be pi over 6 and that should be pi over 4. Yep. I switched. Okay, so correction. Daisy, what's the cosine of pi over 6? Yay. And then Danielle? Root 2 over 2. That's the easy ones, right? Okay. So, okay, we get our typical root 2 plus root 6 over 4, right? But how do I handle that? Huh? Yep, it's a fraction. Oh, man. Well, I guess, well.
I was helping clean up.
Thank you.
Bad ideas.
I noticed. Shame on you. She's not here anymore either. Okay. I'm having the drops today. Basketball teams do not replicate my issue. Okay, thank you. How do I handle that? Because there's roots in the denominator, and I hate roots in the denominator. Do you remember? Okay, you're really, really close. Your sign is off. Thank you. This is called a conjugate. Does that ring a bell? Yeah, okay. Well, it should, because we did complex numbers last year. Or we didn't, but you did. Right, I think. So you just multiply it by the opposite sign. That's going to get rid of all the roots, okay, in the denominator. So it makes things nice and pretty. So on the bottom, we're going to get, if we just FOIL these, so that's 2. The inners and the outers will always cancel. That's the nice thing about a conjugate. Okay, so these will cancel. Do I need to write them out so you see it?
No.
Oh, okay, that's one person. Thank you. Fine. And you can see they're gone. Yay, yeah, right. Golf clap. Fun. This is -4. So those cancel, right? And I end up with negative of root 2 minus root 6. And you can rewrite that if you want. Root 6 minus root 2. Okay, so those are just a touch more involved. But it's the same as yesterday. You just have a little more arithmetic to do. Okay. But I want to show you one so that you didn't freak out. because I've had students do that before. It's scary. Okay.
Yay.
Well, somebody's here. Yeah, not necessary. Okay, tangent. Tangent's a fraction. And besides that being a fraction, you have to calculate fractional values out of the unit circle. Okay, so it's tangent alpha. It's a fraction, plus or minus. Oh, that is ugly. Matches the rest of the town. Okay. Minus or plus, right?
Yeah.
Tan alpha, tan beta.
And
I can understand that. Cleared up.
I feel like today's a slow.
Today's Fun Friday. As opposed to Terrible Tuesday. Bad thing is we can't have a case of the Mondays anymore.
Yeah, you can. It just messes up the schedule.
Only if there's a study session makeup. Yeah. Fun, right? Getting a tan is fun. We're going to look at number 6. Pi over 12. So this is out of your book too. Okay, what two numbers do we need to use?
You could use
Yeah. Subtraction. Okay. So okay. 3 pi over 12. And pi over 3 is 4 pi over 12. Okay, so if you subtract, you get 1, right? All right, so I know you're way ahead of me. Pi over 3 minus pi over 4. Yeah, now you plug it in, obviously. So you got to be careful, because this is subtraction. Subtraction on the bottom here, but this is addition here. So there's actually two different signs in this one. Okay, so be careful. So tan pi over 3 minus plus all right. Plug and chug. Okay, quiz time. Woo-hoo! Kea, do you know what the tangent of pi over 3 is? What? No? Okay. What are the coordinates at pi over 3? Okay. You remember tangent is sine over cosine, right? So remember that. This is sine, cosine. So tangent is root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. Okay. Well, you divide it, which means copy dot flip. Right? So it's root 3. That. Okay. So tan at pi over 3 is root 3. Okay. And, oh, hey, how about that? That makes life easier. Okay, picking. Sean, woohoo! Thanks for your help earlier. What's the tangent of pi over 4? 1. Well, that's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, 21 was not.
No, it's not.
21 was evil.
Let's do, yeah, we can give you tips there. Okay. Are you okay with that? And then you got to simplify root 3 minus 1, 1 plus root 3, multiply by the conjugate. Ooh. Okay, the first is root 3. The lasts are minus or plus root 3. So we're going to end up with 2 root 3 minus 1. And then, oh, minus 3. So minus 4, I think. Are you okay with me just doing those, like, real quick? You're good on foiling? Okay. And then this one would be 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Because all we have to worry about on the bottom is the firsts and the lasts. And we'll have to simplify this, because there's a 2 in every one of them. So we can take a 4 out and get 3 minus 2. And I get 2 minus root 3 out the back end. And hopefully my answer's right. Yay! Okay. So fractions, a little bit messier, but you just, again, plug and chug. Plug and chug. Okay? It's not the cold weather. It's the being inside all the time. That's where the germs are. Are we good? You can handle those? Okay. Let me know if you got any help. We got 25 minutes, so hopefully you're going to be able to finish this. If you're ahead, the next one is on Google Classroom if you want to start, or you can come look up here. Okay, so, yep. Whoa, hi.
I was gonna go look up there, but
Okay, there's today's 5 problems, because they are kind of long, and then the review. The review is the same as yesterday. Yep. I think I wrote it all down yesterday, right? Okay, so do Tuesday.
25 and 41, yeah.
And double and half angle identities is on here if you want to look at it to start and go ahead. Oh, you want tips on 21?
No, I got the 2 where you put the tangent of the number of the angle in the number. I opened it.
So what angles did you get? So you translated it into angle measures, degree measures. And you, okay, so you need the values. Where's your units? Oh,
I just don't know how to do that.
common denominators.
How do you do that?
So that would be 4 over 4, right? So you get 4 plus root 3 over 4. And this is 0? No. And you're going to get 4 over 4 minus root 3 over 4. And then you copy dot flip. Fraction division. Did that work? Okay, let me shut the video off. help you a little more than that.